What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. We're doing a quick 2018 Gold Rush Autograph Hockey Jersey Edition 2-box break, 3 random players, number 4. We're also giving away a Kingsley Break t-shirt at the end of the break. One customer at the end of the randomizer that comes out number 1 gets that t-shirt. Here's the dice roller. List of customer names from Neil at the top, down to Joe P. Last Spot Mojo, Backstrom, down to Zetterberg, and here's the sheet. Let's quickly roll the dice. Got a 6 and a 2, so 8 times on the list of names and the players. Good luck. 6, 7, 8. 8 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th and final time. After 8 times, as you can see, roll the 8. Yep. Francis at the top. Kev at the bottom. You got 8 times now on the list of players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8th and final time. After 8 times, 8, 8, 8. Bill Barber at the top. Mark Messier at the bottom. Let me just copy this sheet really quick. And it's 619. There you go. Alright, so let me just show you guys the way they came out. As you can see right here. Boom. Right. Everybody's right there. Duh, 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 duh. Right there. And now let's pick this up. As you can see, and then we'll alphabetize this by customer first name. Boom. So Francis, very low. Here's all your players. As you can see, I'll kind of go as slow as possible, but you have a handful of spots, so those are all your players. You got Drew Doughty in there. You got Zetterberg, Bobby Hall, Ed Belfour, Austin Matthews, Dominic Hasek. You got Gordie Howe in there, Patrick Waugh, all the way down to Shea Weber. So those are all your players right there. Check it out right there. Joe P. Here are your players right here, including Teemu Selanne, Chris Chelios, Connor McDavid is one of your Last Spot Mojo spots with Bernie Perron and Jim Craig. So there you go. Max Power, you got Messier, Cicerelli, Kucherov, Kyle Plott, Miracle on Ice 1980s Olympic team, Ruzioni, linesman, Neil. There's your players right here. Oswald's right there with Ovechkin, Brodeur, Cam Neely, all the way down here with Johnny Bauer, Jeremy Roenick, Esposito, Backstrom, Oates, Lindsay, Leach. So there you go. Alright guys, so I'm going to put this back in order after to see if there's any trades. I'll give you guys 30 seconds if you guys want to make any trades. I'm going to put this back this way too. It's easier this way. Let's dance. Then I do have another break already up in the store. We have a couple more of these. I don't think there's gonna be any trades, right? Just close it. Alright, so here's the list of names again for number 4. They're in alphabetical order by player. But Joe P, one of his Last Spot Mojos is Jim Craig. Connor McDavid is one of them. And then Bernie Parent. Here's everybody else. Good luck, everybody. What's in this break? Got 2 jerseys right here. Contains 1 autographed jersey per box. It even tells you on the back, I never noticed, but gives you the checklist of the players that are right there that you just seen. And let's pop one open, guys. Alrighty, and we have, it is a Leaf Certificate of Authenticity. There's a serial number. I think that's Ray Bourque. Yeah, Ray Bourque. Who has Ray Bourque? Raylaw with Ray Bourque. Francis. There you go, man. Ray Bourque autographed jersey. There's an autograph with the Leaf authenticity right there. There you go, man. That box. Second box. Good luck. Next box. Uh-oh. See a little bit of colors. There's a COA. And I think it's Mark Messier. Just by looking at it. Nice. Mark Messier. There you go. Mark Messier. Kevin Thomas. Max Power. Where's Mark Messier? Tripping out? Oh, there it is right there. There you go, man. And that was the break, guys. That was a Gold Rush autographed jersey, hockey box edition. Number 4, number 5 is in the store. Let me quickly just randomize a list of customer names. Somebody will get a free little t-shirt as a consolation prize, which is probably worth the spot value, you know, like I said. We have with the clothes being so expensive. Alright, so let's see. Dice roller. Let's copy the list of customer names. I know, man, Gold Rush has been not on your side. I know. Well, once they have Hit Parade back, the other one, I'm definitely going to do it. I think it's almost out. Alright. So dice roller right here. Boom. 3 and a 3, 6 times. Customer number 1 will get a free t-shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Sixth and final time. Francis had the odds. There you go, man. T-shirt for you. And that'll be the break. Number 5 is in the store. We only have 2 more breaks, number 5 and 6. So check it out. Kings Elite. See ya.